On our way to Cambridge Lee.
Manufacturing, you take people from all walks of life and train them to do cool stuff. We take people with minimum education, people with college educations, and teach them all different trades, all different skill level. I get to interact with both hourly workers and the management.
Special about it, it's the teamwork. We work as a team and we make a great product.
Enjoy problem solving very much. Manufacturing is great in the sense that when you have issues, if you like challenges like myself, you strive to overcome those challenges.
Why did I choose to work here? Well, it's a big industrial plant, and there's lots of opportunities here to grow, and no 2 days are the same. And
we look for individuals that have electrical backgrounds, mechanical backgrounds. For production employees, it's always beneficial if they're mechanically inclined. If they have previous manufacturing experience, that is helpful as well.
I think manufacturing is one of the few sectors where you have a whole team of people from different backgrounds and different educational backgrounds, different experience. And you come together and you have an idea and you find a solution to make that idea come to life.
I believe manufacturing is something that you can expand and grow. Whereas many companies, maybe you get somewhere and you start and that's kind of where you stay.
What's so cool about manufacturing is you're making a product that is being used worldwide.
I think and there's always an opportunity for growth. I think that you see the finished product at the end of the day, and you can go out anywhere in the country and see something that you made at work.
There's opportunity. There's always going to be need for manufactured product. It's a great field to get into. It's a job that has changed my life.
Thank you for watching our film.